Simco Edit is the editor of choice for CNC programmers who demand a reliable, full-featured, and professional editing and communication tool. Simco Edit includes powerful tools such as the NC Assistant, Graphical Backplotter, and Side-by-Side File Compare. Add-ons are available for DNC communication, 2D CAD/CAM, and viewing Mazatrol files. Simco Edit includes CNC code-specific options such as line numbering, renumbering, character handling, and XYZ rangefinder. Math functions are available for basic math, translate, rotate, mirror, and tool compensation. All presented in a modern user interface with page tabs and drag-and-drop support. The NC Assistant makes editing NC code faster and easier than ever. Point at any M or G code and the NC Assistant will identify the code, allowing you to modify its values. Simply input the desired values for any register and the CNC code is updated automatically. The NC Assistant also lets you insert and edit complex cycles and operations. Cycles and macros are available for common operations such as program start, program stop, and tool change. You can also create your own for the operations most common to your specific setup and applications. The Graphical Backplotter handles 3-axis mill and 2-axis lathe CNC programs and supports solid visualization with tool and stock animation, tool holder collision check, and gouge detection. Any changes you make are automatically reflected in the plot, and dynamic zoom, pan, rotate, and measuring functions can be used for further analysis. The Side-by-Side File Compare is fully configurable and makes it easy to identify CNC program changes. The File Compare identifies all changes, but intelligently ignores trivial format changes like block renumbering and spacing. Simco Edit also includes optional DNC capabilities for reliable RS-232 communications with a variety of CNC controls. This option lets you easily send and receive CNC programs to multiple machines simultaneously. CNC Calc is a basic CAD/CAM add-on that enables programmers to draw or import 2D geometry, lay out toolpaths for mill and lathe, and simulate the resulting NC program. Specify cut depths, lead in, lead out, and other toolpath variables, and let CNC Calc generate the CNC code. The Mazatrol Viewer is a handy add-on that enables Simco Edit to view Mazatrol program files. The add-on makes it easy to verify and review program changes using tools like the Mazatrol File Compare. With the Mazatrol Viewer for Simco Edit, you can handle your Mazatrol program files in an editing environment you are familiar with instead of on the Mazak control in the workshop. Simco Edit is the editor of choice for professional CNC programming. To learn more, visit us today at simco.com.